In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Hytale with your friends, walking you through all of the best methods from the easiest option to more advanced setups. Before we actually get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The easiest way to play Hytale with your friends is by letting them join your single player world, and there's a few important limitations to keep in mind. Your friends can only join while you're actively playing, the world does go offline when you do leave, and it also does share your IP address, so this should only be used with people that you trust. To do this, go ahead and get loaded into your world. And once you get loaded in, what you're going to want to do is just hit escape. And then you're going to see an online play option on here. Select this and then toggle this to on, just like so. From here, you can go ahead and set a password if you want extra security. Just hit save down in the very bottom. And then you're going to see a share code right here. It's going to take a few seconds to set up, but hit copy to clipboard and then just send that code to your friend. And what they're going to want to do, and let me quit back to the main menu real quick, is from the main menu, go ahead and go to servers and then go to direct connect or join via share code. Select this and paste in that share code right there. From here, they can go ahead and hit join and they'll be able to join instantly. Now, sometimes these don't work because Hytale do use automatic port forwarding through a system called UPnP. This does work for most people, but not all internet providers support it properly. So if your ISP uses something called CGNAT, you may share an IP address with other households, be unable to host joinable worlds, and have friends fail to connect using share codes. But don't worry, there's other methods for that. Another option is by hosting a dedicated Hytale server on your own PC. This is going to give you a persistent world, more control, and better multiplayer features. However, this still can fail if your ISP uses CGNAT and it requires port forwarding, stable hardware, and extra setup and troubleshooting. So I don't recommend doing that method. But the best and most reliable method so far that I've seen is using a hosting provider like Simple Gaming Hosting. I'm not personally sponsored by them. I wish they would reach out and sponsor me, but you can actually host a server 24/7. You're not going to have any port forwarding. There's no IP sharing. There's better performance and no lag spikes. Mods are also fully supported on this, which is pretty awesome, and there is expert live chat if you're having any issues, and you can simply get a server IP and join instantly here in Hytale, and this avoids any of those CGNAT and connection issues entirely. If you want the smoothest experience, I recommend doing this, and to create that, you would just open up a web browser of your choice and just search up Simple Game Hosting, hit enter, open up this website, and go ahead and create an account. From here, select games, and you'll see Hytale on here. Just keep in mind, as of right now, this is very limited access, so I would sign up for the notification list for as soon as it does launch, you'll be able to create this. Now, if you don't want to host anything, you can still play with friends using public Hytale servers. Now, I'm not affiliated with any servers yet, but to do this, you just go to the servers tab right here, and then you'd add a server, and then just type in that connection address and give it a name. It works the exact same as it does in like Minecraft. But that is it. That is all the ways to play Hytale with your friends. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.